Until this video came out, nobody knew about this hack. This is a Costco. There's about 900 of them on this big blue earth, and people are making between $2,000 and $20,000 profit every week buying gold bars from Costco and selling them on the internet. You've got to know which cards to use, which hacks to use, how to get the right points, how to convert them. We're going to cover all that in this video so you can profit. All right, so there are about 14 Costco's in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and we want to see if any of them have any gold. So I'm going to call one in Plano, which isn't too far from where I live, and I want to find out how much they're selling it for, what the quantity is, but most importantly, do they even have it in stock? So.
Costco Island.
Hey, do you have any gold in stock right now?
Yes, we do. I'm sorry. I meant to say Costco was Plano.
What is the price of it, and how many do you have in stock right now?
So unfortunately, I'm not allowed to give the price over the phone.
Okay. What about like stock quantity?
Let me take a look. 24 of them. We have plenty.
All right, thanks. I'll be stopping by.
Okay. Bye.
All right, bye. Let's go buy some gold. If you want to buy 5 bars, you just need a disguise every time. If you need 5 disguises in the car. Hello.
How y'all doing?
Good, good.
Thank you.
Yep. There she is, the white whale. Good luck, dragon. So it's not the Lady Fortuna?
No, so they have different ones.
Have you bought that one before?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they come with like a nice little carrier case.
Okay. How's that price?
Right now, I think it's just a little bit above the spot, so should
It's like
work.
it's a good price?
Yeah, it's been repriced since yesterday for sure.
Can I get a bar gold?
Of course. What was it priced yesterday?
Oh, we didn't have it yesterday. It just showed up today.
Oh,
But whenever
okay.
they first put it up here, it was going to be $100 more. But,
Yeah.
but then they wait for like the market to stop.
Okay.
But hasn't been this one in a long time. We have double dragons right now. Another lady bought 10. You know, what I mean, like
10?
Well, as long as you have 2 different memberships.
Okay. Do you get a lot of people buying these?
Hell yeah, they sold out within the hour last week.
Wow.
So, but this week looks to be you're like the second person for some
Okay.
reason.
Usually when it goes up, it should stop, but that was the opposite.
Yeah,
It went
yeah.
down and people aren't buying. Like, what?
Do you usually get them on Wednesdays?
Been kind of Wednesdays.
Yeah.
I say call Wednesday morning. If not Wednesday morning, call Wednesday noon and like first come, first serve.
Yeah.
But it's kind of strange this week. It was the complete opposite last week. If it like, by this point last week, you might be the one guy being the last one.
Yeah, yeah. When it gets expensive, everyone wants to buy it. When it gets cheap, everyone's scared.
It's weird. Yeah.
It's human nature.
I bought it a week ago and it was $40 more on the silver, but I don't care. Like,
Yeah.
It's a couple dollars here and there, but you're buying the big boy stuff. I wouldn't mind having a little bit of that.
Yeah.
You have some already, or
Yeah.
good?
Yeah.
There you go, man.
I like it.
Keep it and just look at that for a moment. Oh, that's awesome, and then put it away. Oh, what was that?
Do people buy it just to flip it, or do they buy it and hold it?
A little bit of everything. A lot of people buy them to actually make jewelry.
Oh,
A
interesting.
lot of that. A lot of people are holding to, and a lot of people don't even tell us what they're doing.
Yeah.
But I'm surprised that quite a bit are using it to send to overseas and have their jewelry manufactured.
Interesting.
Surprising.
Yeah. Because I would think if someone comes back and buys 5 every time it's in stock, they're probably flipping it or making jewelry.
You would think so. But I think with my bullion guy, I just call him our bullion guy, he is obsessed with this stuff. He just got into it years ago. People come to talk to him, like our buddy named Kevin, coworker. I don't think he's here today, but he talks to people that it sounds like they've been holding for years, decades,
Yeah.
and they only want to talk to him. I'm like, all right, well, it's like I don't really care enough about it.
Yeah.
But it sounds like there's some real whales around there.
Okay.
Serious whales. Like that lady who I sold, she's bought 10. Like that's our limit is 5 a day, but she had a business membership too. I'm like, she's walking with 50K in her pocket. Like, what is she doing?
Yeah.
Don't know really. I'm not asking.
Yeah.
Could be their own business, but I assume some of these people have a plan because, dude, like this is history.
Yeah.
I've never seen this before.
How have you seen demand change over the last year? Like a year ago, was it?
So, well, when we first got it, like 2.5 years ago, it was it was 1749, and man, people were buying it up within the moment, like kind of how it was last week. That's what happened.
It was all over the news when we first got it, though.
Yeah, I
Like,
remember.
We have people, because we've never seen this before, out of nowhere, people who've never collected. We've actually sold a lot to people who've never, ever collected before. And they're like, is this a good idea? I'm like, I don't know.
I'm not your financial advisor.
Yeah, I like to put my money where I can know it's going to be immediately available, but
Yeah.
savings is for people who have an investment eye.
Yeah.
Yourself?
Yeah, I mean, I buy Bitcoin mostly. So this is my physical Bitcoin, right?
It's nice to know that's
Yeah.
not as volatile.
Yes.
But I would have been nice to get in Bitcoin when it was that price.
Yeah, seriously. All right, so I just picked up some gold here, $4,209. You go turn this into the cage and they will pull it out of their safe and give me a bar of gold. And then I'm gonna turn around and sell it immediately. All right, thank you. All right, thank you so much. There it is. Good luck, it says. I mean, you could buy a used motorcycle with this money. All right, so now that we have the bag, we've got the gold, we need to see if we can find a local gold buyer to buy it from us for about $41.50. Is that right? All right, so we're gonna try Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange. Let's see what they have to say.
Good afternoon, Dallas Gold and Silver.
Yes, I have a 1 ounce Lucky Dragon from Costco Gold. What would you pay for that today?
Is it a bar?
It's a bar, a 1 ounce bar.
Right now, we would buy it from you for $3,976.41.
Okay, thank you. Oh, $3,946. So we can go online to a certain website and sell this for $41.50-ish, $41.60. So that is a bad price. We're gonna try a couple more, but I'm betting you anything we're not gonna get a good price from these local buyers because it's a smaller pond that we're fishing in. We wanna go to the internet. And if you pay $30 to overnight something via FedEx, it's well worth it when the product is 100 times that. So let's go to Frisco Gold buyers. I feel bad for hanging up on her, but we're just wasting each other's time.
Connect you.
Frisco Gold Buyers.
Hey, I've got a 1 ounce gold bar, Double Dragon. What are you paying for those nowadays?
1 ounce gold bar.
AI is taking notes.
Yeah.
You'd be looking at about $3,900.
All right, thank you. All right, so now we should go to FedEx or go on my phone and try to sell this to that company.
Okay, so this is arguably the most important part of this entire transaction. Costco is special because they sell gold for below what they call the spot price or the market price. In any investment, you make your money on the buy, not the sell. So Costco ensures that we buy it right. But as we just saw, we can't sell this gold locally because local buyers are not willing to pay enough for it. We need a much bigger market. And so this website, Collect Pure, they're a marketplace. Picture eBay if it were only for buying and selling precious metals. So we're not selling to Collect Pure. We're selling to another individual that's buying through Collect Pure. And then Collect Pure plays the middleman. When they send me a FedEx label, it will go directly to Collect Pure. They will take it out of the packaging and validate through their testing tools and materials that this gold is actually real. Then they will say, hey buyer, trust me, this is real. Hey seller, thank you for sending us real gold. And then they hold in escrow the gold from the buyer until they've tested it to make sure it's validated. This also prevents any buyers from saying, whoa, I never got the gold. The guy dropped it off my doorstep, but it never arrived. That's impossible because they only used sign-on delivery with FedEx. And they take a video of them repacking the gold after they test it to validate its authenticity. So I list it for sale on Collect Pure. Once it sells, they send me a shipping label and I go to FedEx as you see here. I want to triple pack it because the packaging's free anyway. I might as well make sure that it's safe. Get a receipt, take pictures of everything just in case, and then ship it off. Collect Pure receives it, they unpack it, they validate it, they repack it, they pay me, they ship it to the eventual buyer. Everyone's happy. Collect Pure takes a little bit of a profit in between, and then you do it over and over again.
All right, the gold is now out of our hands. We went to FedEx, we printed a label, we triple packed it just to be safe. We took a picture of the bar just in case any funny business happens when it arrives. We want insurance. We want to keep our receipts because we're talking about thousands and or tens of thousands of dollars here. So now we wait to get paid.
Now let's talk about how to actually make money from this scheme. You can earn up to 7% on this gold. 3% from your credit card. The Venmo card is great for this. Or you can use credit cards that offer 3% cash back on groceries, assuming that they categorize Costco as a grocery purchase, because not all credit cards do. I'll put a list of all these resources in the show notes. So that's 3% from the credit card, 2% back from Costco, we're at 5%, and then there's a special company that enables you to pay off a credit card with a debit card and get 2% back in the process, which makes this a total of about 7%. So you're going to lose 1 to 2% right off the bat when you sell the gold, but then hopefully you're going to make between 5 and 7%. from all the cashback rewards, which will net you out at about 5% cashback total. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but it can really add up if you're doing higher volumes. My friend Braden has a full tutorial on all this, and I'll put everything down below where you can go learn more. Please hit subscribe if you like this, share with a friend, and we'll see you next time on the Kerner Office.